Cypress Springs of Florida. Florida is a great place of fabulous beaches of Miami and white sandy beaches of Panama City. Cypress Springs is a natural hidden wonder in northwest Florida. That is one of the most amazing natural spring basin with many tall trees flourishing in the turquoise water. If you are looking for a relaxing and recreation spot, then Cypress Springs is a must place to visit, which have been favorite place of local tourists. An estimated 65 million gallons of blue water expels from Cypress Springs. This place is a pristine, unusual spring, is distinguished for its high mineral content and time-honored healing land. It is a stunning place where you can enjoy blue water all over, in an excellent way to calm your body muscles. Even people dive in the water to heal their skin problems, joint issues, body pains, skin maladies such as eczema. Nestle water owns the Cypress Spring and the surrounding land to bottle water. Hence, this is a private property and only easy to get to buy canoe or small boat. Lake Cypress Spring has a primarily sand and clay bottom. The maximum sediment depth appears at a depth of 7.2 feet. The beauty of Cypress Spring is their water remains 70 degrees Fahrenheit around the year. You won't be surprised to see flock of Floridians make their way to Cypress Springs for swimming, kayak and canoe. One can easily take a small boat or kayak from adjacent Holmes Creek and begin their journey to Cypress Springs over the water. If you are going Cypress Springs, take a boat at the closest public boat camp. Then mentally prepare yourself for some slight bumps as Holmes Creek is a little shallow. There is no evidence of any alligator in the Cypress Spring, as due to shallow, cold and crystal clear water prevent alligators. Therefore, no guarantee of alligator, as this is a Florida, but travelers can see fish and turtles which are abundant here. The major fish populations are largemouth, rainbow trout, crappie, bluegill, carp and channel catfish. Many tour companies offer the eco tours in economical rates to visit the diverse landscape of this natural beauty. There is a lot of wildlife as birds are chirping from high trees. Travelers opt to take a little spring break and soak in the pristine body of water that will recharge and refresh you. Cypress Springs are well worth journey. Or rent a paddle board, kayak or inflatable raft and swept away by the majestic nature of Cypress Spring. According to D Magazine, Lake Cypress Spring is in the list of top 10 best lakes to call home. A number of birds can see around the Cypress Springs, like red-handed woodpecker, northern flicker, cattle egret, American herring-gull, buff-bellied pipit, black-bellied whistling duck, great blue heron, wood duck, and great egret can also see there. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.